Raven? How did... Where? What just... Why are you wearing pink?
'Cause it's my favorite color?
It is?
Look, I'd love to talk fashion, but I don't suppose you know how to get home.
The Forbidden Door. It's the only way out. But you don't want to go there. Not now.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, but don't say I didn't warn ya.
Have you ever seen her this happy?
Dude, I didn't even know Raven could do happy.
Raven, you okay? We stopped by your room and the door's been knocked down.
Need to be alone.